welcome to Latoonie. This is AJ here from Latoonie.com. So today I wanted to showcase, one of the samples and the prototype we have received from our factory for the Macho King. Let me just take a step back. So this is the Macho King right here. Macho King looks excellent with the crown, with the specter. Again, we haven't really started mold on this yet, so we're still about 3 4 weeks away. We're trying to ramp up production on Smash. We're trying to complete the production on the Mega Powers Giant Series Macho Man. Then there is the Hall of Fame Macho Man. We are trying to complete that. Inoki is getting completed in the next couple of weeks or 3 weeks, and then Flair is gonna kickstart production in a couple of weeks. So we ran into a slight hiccup with Flair with the mold, so we had to basically redo the mold again for Flair, but shouldn't be too long. Before I receive the production sample for Flair. And so this is the Macho King. Uh, Let me just bring it a little bit closer. You guys can clearly see. So we got his famous, glasses that the Macho Man is wearing. Obviously, the crown with Macho and the specter in his hand, and then he can basically hold it. And what do you all think? I mean, I'm really excited, especially about Inoki, because that can kickstart a lot of things. I mean, because Inoki for us is articulated. Just imagine this pose if you had articulation. Everything same rubber styling, but you add articulation, so then you can move it up and down. So it can obviously you can always change the poses a little bit. You can even put a wrestler and have him, kind of put the specter in the other wrestler's stomach. So there's always some cool things to do. So this is the fabric kind of robe it will basically come up with, which kind of gives a throwback to one of the older figures as well. And then at the back, you will basically have the Macho King right here. So you can basically see that as well. Again, looks in my opinion looks pretty good. Would like to see what you all think. Um, will give you a more closer to the arms. You can see the muscle definition we kind of added on the arms as well, to kind of pop out all the muscles there right here. Pretty much the same thing. So I think, let's see what you all think of this Macho King, and I'll probably do a detailed video of some of the upcoming samples as well. Thank you all.